For 2025, we are happy that we're able to cater to more than 109,000 unique patients in Zamboanga City. For a population of 1 million, that's already 10% of the total population of the city. And we look forward to taking care to more of Zamboangueños and to bring everyone back to wellness. For a memorable moment, I will always go back to Taganak Island. This is where we conceptualize our campaign, Welcome to Wellness, Welcome to West Metro. And for the last 3 years, we have been doing medical missions that is actually helping us to welcome more patients, to extending the message to the community of Zamboanga City. And for this year, we catered to more than 200 patients in our Grand Medical Mission in Talon-Talon, supported by our West Metro doctor, our employees and partners. We're able to take care and bring this community back to wellness.
I would like to thank everyone, particularly our employees, for a job well done in 2024. There's been a lot of challenges last year, and there's been a lot of requests for changes and transformation, which are always difficult to do, but you were able to deliver them well. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
"2025 is an outstanding year for West Metro Medical Center. Next year, we have installed several initiatives, digital transformation, new equipment that is expected to challenge the way we do things in West Metro. And this is expected to result to better engagement with our patients, with our doctors, and improve the processes that we are currently doing in the hospital. This is a very meaningful and an exciting year for the hospital, and we are very much looking forward for what the future will be offering to the patients of West Metro Medical Center.
Congratulations, West Metro, on your 10th anniversary. I wish you all the best, and may you have more years to celebrate your anniversary.
Ang inyong sipag at dedikasyon ang tunay na dahilan ng ating tagumpay. Welcome to wellness. Welcome to West Metro.
Gracias for your partnership with the Bangsamoro government. Together, we shall make the health and wellness of our people stronger, better, and more responsive. From all of us in the BARM, under the leadership of Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakua, we say more power West Metro Medical Center.
Buenas noches to the employees, doctors, and shareholders of West Metro Medical Center. Happy 10th anniversary. It brings great joy in my heart to greet you in this momentous occasion. Thank you for making part of your family until now. And I'm looking forward for the years to come as you become better and bolder. West Metro is really close to my heart because you are a pride of Zamboanga.
The word that describes the hospital best is that West Metro is a dream.
Dalhin natin ang magagandang alaala ng ika-10 selebrasyon ng West Metro Medical Center. Taus-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat muli sa lahat ng doktor, ng mga pasyente, ng mga empleyado at mga partner na naging bahagi ng aming makabuluhang selebrasyon. Hayaan ninyong ipaabot namin ng pagbati. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year to the West Metro community. At sabay-sabay din nating batiin ang lahat ng pasyente, mga bagong doktor at mga bagong partners ng West Metro. Welcome to Wellness. Welcome to West Metro.
10 taong nagdaan, paglilingkod ay pinagtibay sa bawat araw ng pag-asang inyong tangan.
I was happy to know through my oncologists in Manila that West Metro has the team dedicated to the care, and they helped me because of their call it expertise and the compassion of their team to journey with you, and that's heartwarming to know. By the grace of God and the competence of the medical team, that I may be able to journey well in this battle.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, mga doktor, nurse at empleyadong puso ang dala ninyo. Sa inyong sipag, tapang at malasakit, tagumpay na ito'y dahil sa inyong paghimig. 10 taong walang sawa, tahanan ng pag-asa. Welcome to LS, welcome to West Metro, at lagi niyong maririnig because we care. Totoo.
My journey at West Metro Medical Center has been truly transformative. Over the past 10 years, I have seen its commitment to excellence.
The doctors here are very good. Dr. Uli, and even the way they would care for the patient. So I pray that they continue to be a blessing to others, especially to other patients also.
I'm so grateful and thankful na West Metro helped us a lot. With the help nga with the nurses and all, they served my father well till his last breath.
Serbisyong hindi magwawakas kailanman. Maraming salamat sa inyo, mga doktor, nurse at empleyadong puso ang dala ninyo. Sa inyong sipag, tapang at malasakit, tagumpay na ito'y dahil sa inyong paghimig. 10 taong walang sawa, tahanan ng pag-asa. Welcome to LS, welcome to West Metro, at lagi niyong maririnig because we care. Totoo. Habang tumatagal, mas tumitibay. Serbisyong may puso ang aming alay. Sa susunod pang mga taon, kapit kamay nating haharapin ang panahon. Maraming salamat sa inyo, mga bayani ng aming ospital. Saludo kami sa inyo. 10 taong kwento ng pagkalinga, kasama kayo sa bawat tagumpay na dinala. Welcome to LS, welcome to West Metro, at sa bawat hakbang.
Welcome to Wellness. Welcome to Wellness.
Welcome to Wellness. Welcome to Wellness. Welcome to Wellness.
Welcome to Wellness. Welcome to Wellness.
Welcome to Wellness.
Welcome to Wellness.
I thank God for them, and I ask all the nurses and doctors, I know it's so hard, your work is so hard, but please continue to be a blessing to others. Because you are a gift by God to us.
Welcome to Wellness. Welcome to West Metro.